Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Gumroad to sell digital products. First, you have to go to a browser and there you have to search for Gumroad. Once you search for it, then you have to go with this first link and then you will be onto this website. There you just have to simply click onto this option, start selling, and you have to simply sign up with any of your these accounts. And then you will be onto this page. Now on this page, if you scroll a bit, you will see the option for sell your first product, or on the left side you can see we have the option products. You can go with that. Otherwise you can click on sell your first product. Then you just have to simply give it a name. It could be anything. You can sell your ebook, you can sell any sort of work or any sort of document, any sort of design, template, whatever you like. It's up to you. Just simply give it a name and then we have these presets. You can select any one of these, whatever you prefer. You just have to simply go with it. And once you are done, then you have to add the price of your one sell. Like if you're selling an ebook, then how much it would cost. And once you're done with all of that page, then you have to click on next customize. Then it will just take a while and it will take you to this page. Then first you have to give it a name. If you have already done it, then you can not do anything. Otherwise, if you want to change it, you can do it. Then you have to add your description is all about your product that you want to sell. Once you have it, you can just simply do a copy paste or you can write it at the moment. And there are some options on the top, like you can customize the text, font, color, and these stuff. You can also add the images, videos, and links as well. And there are other options as well through which you can add other stuff. And once you're done, you just have to simply create a URL. You can just simply create a URL of your choice for your this digital product. It could be anything, whatever you like it. You can create the URL of your preferences. And now once you're done with your product name, description, URL, you have to upload the cover and you also have to add a thumbnail. You can just simply create it from any editing software like Canva or any other thing that you would like to go with. Just simply create it and upload it. Once you're done with uploading your cover and thumbnail, then you will see the preview on the right. Once you're done, you can add the call to action. These are the button that will appear on your product. Then in the summary, you can just simply write anything about whatever you're selling or all that. And after that, if it has the pages, you can also add the pages. But let's say other than pages, if you have different volumes, you can also add the information up there into this option. You can create like how many volumes it has. And there are few options related to integrations like community and they can follow it. So these are the few things you can go through, and if you want to toggle them on, you can do it as per your choice. Then there will be few options related to pricing, like what price you want to show them and like what will be your margin price and all that. And if it has different versions, you can also offer them as well. And once you're done with all that, then there we have few settings. You can just simply check out like your product limit, sales, and other options. So whatever the options you would like to on, you can do it. And if you have any custom domain, you can also add it for your website. Otherwise you can go to the next page and then you will be able to publish your digital product. Once you are done, then you will be able to see how it looks. You have to simply get the URL, paste in another tab, and it will open. And this is how our digital product will look like on Gumroad. So now whenever any person visit this page, they will be able to purchase it and then you will get the order and you will be able to sell them. So that's how you can sell digital products on Gumroad. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.